What's up guys, your Biglee here. When we talk about biceps and isolation of biceps, the number one exercise that comes into our mind is concentration curl. Where most of the people prefer doing it by resting their arm on the thigh and curling it up, I prefer doing it the Arnold way. Some people call it the spider curls as well, because you just hang your arm freely below, bend down and then curl. I find this one more effective because we are able to isolate the biceps better and hold the concentration better than compared to the other version. I hold my arm straight down, curl up, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze and relax, squeeze and relax. If you see, I'm able to concentrate it all on my biceps, and some people, when they use the thigh as a support, they use it as a leverage. When you use leverage, you start cheating in the curl. That reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. Try your concentration curls the Arnold way and you will be amazed with the kind of simulation you can place on your biceps. Until the next workout video, this is your Biglee, over and out.